Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura and I have a corner in my sewing room where two doors go together, and I think it would be a great spot to spruce up and put some color. And by that I mean hang up some quilts. So I have found a hanging system that goes over doors that's designed for quilts, and it's called the Quilt Keeper. Let me show you how it's easy to go together and how it's going to look. So the Quilt Keeper is a series of these powder-coated iron bars. These are put up over the door, which means there's no holes, no drilling. We can move it, change the doors as we see fit. The bars are 28 inches, and this is going to fit our standard doors. So it'd be 1.8 inches. Now the kit does come with these little foam pads. So we're going to be able to take that little pad and put it right here at this hook spot if we have those thinner doors. We can also cut a piece and put it at the bottom so that we equal that out, or just have it go as it is. And we will get these little nibs and they're going to go right onto these points. It just makes it have a nice finish, and they just push on. So this is going to go over the door, and then very simply these hooks hook in. Let's go to the door and I'll show you how this is going to work. So here is that boring door area, and it really is a very plain looking area. It's also a great area for hanging up the quilts. So I was able to just hook those right over that door. They fit perfect. I did center them, so I'm going to be able to put these bars on. Now you can get this with a 1 bar, or you can get it with 3 bars. I chose the 3 bars. So the top, we just have these hooks, and those nice big hooks are going to go right over top. And that's all there is for hanging that up. The second one goes on top of the first one. So we have those same round hooks. They're going to go over top, and I have a 3rd bar. And that's all there is to hanging them up. But the beauty is we're going to be able to put the quilts on the bars first before we hang them up. So I'm going to take those down. So here is this top bar, and there's my quilt. It doesn't get much easier than this. Quilt number 2 is going to go on. So I'm going to be able to put this bar underneath and up and around. So it's going underneath, up and around. So I have quilt number 2. Let me get number 3 up. What's nice is I'm just able to lay this quilt on a counter, smooth it out until I get the size that I want, hook it over the bar, and then just hook those bars on. These are queen size quilts, so you can see how nice they fit. There's lots of room in between to hang them up. So you could put a pile of table runners here, the nice big quilt, afghans, duvets. This could go on the back of a bathroom door for linens. It can be moved wherever we need it to go. So this is a very easy system to use. No holes, no drilling, just hook it over the door and hang up the quilts. What's nice is I'm going to be able to change this seasonally, or as I want to change my room decor. I'll put some links in the description to the Quilt Keeper, and as always, thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now.